What's the point of leaving this house? I don't want to face all the humiliation out there.
It's been a month now. So what if your 3 books flop, darling?
Stop saying that.
You have to come over it. I know, but things are not the same now. Things have changed. And I found the perfect way so that you can move on with your life.
Don't you fucking tell me to do some behind the table job. You know I won't do it.
Listen, it's the best option. I've already spoken to Father Solomon. He is in charge of the rehab. He as it is needs someone to help him with the managing work. And he also thinks meeting new people will be really good for you.
Are you fucking out of your mind? You want me to go and spend some time with lunatics?
Don't be so derogatory. They are not lunatics. Go, spend some time with them and come back in a week if you don't like it.
I am not going to a madhouse.
Listen.
No.
Listen. Thank you for sharing your story.
My name is Tejas Purohit and I'm an alcoholic.
कौन चाहिए?
बेटा मम्मी पापा घर पे है?
नहीं, मैं अकेला हूँ।
कितनी देर से आने का है?
लेट आएंगे।
चलो।
अंकल आप बैठो, मैं पानी लेके आता हूँ।
कोई नहीं बेटा, पानी बाद में, अभी रूम में चलते हैं।
Listen. Sorry. Sorry. Extremely sorry. My mistake. Sorry.
Let's go in this way.
How do I forget this nightmare? I want it to be erased. I want to have a new life. I want to be a new man. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your story with us.
What happened? Why weren't you a part of the session there?
When I got discharged from the hospital, I felt terribly lonely.
So good to be back home.
Hey Karan, it's Tanya here.
Hey Tanya, how have you been?
I've been good. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Well, I'm ready to come start shooting.
Actually, we were facing losses because of delay, so we had to replace the actress.
What?
People around me were having fun, living the good life, and happy. All my fame and accolades had been forgotten. It was unfair. I desperately needed an escape from all the desolation and loneliness. I guess these pills gave me that. My problem seemed tiny when I popped a pill up, but after which the blackness would return again. That made me take these antidepressants every few hours.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Hey, hi, I'm Ayan Sharma. Let me manage it.
I'm Maya Raju. I was busted for selling drugs in college, and one boy whom I had sold it to, he suffered from a rare case of poisoning. And when he was admitted, he sort of snitched on me. He died a few days later, but since my dad holds a reputed position, I could avoid jail sentence. I was brought here instead.
So, you mean you're a drug addict?
No, I've never had drugs. I've never smoked or even had alcohol.
Then ideally you shouldn't be here.
Well, yeah. You see, when I was caught, I was asked to justify myself. And I did just that. I told them that the people who took drugs, they actually needed it. They needed an illusion to run away from the miseries of reality. But they said I was disillusioned myself.
So, you plan to sell drugs to benefit people, yeah? Some kind of like word charity act?
Not just that. I know that's where I belong. In some dark, broody alley, selling drugs to those who carry the dark, broody alleys in their hearts. Once I get out of here, that's what I intend to do. I want to go underground and sell drugs to people. You see, when I was caught, I was asked to justify myself. And I did just that. I told them that the people who took drugs, they needed them. They need an illusion to run away from the miseries of reality. But they said I was disillusioned myself. I tried to explain it to them, but people don't really believe that those who sell drugs don't have drugs themselves.
You're one bundle of contradiction. You say, drugs help people escape from their miseries. But you know that it's the simplest way to rot in their despair.
Well, duh. For them, drugs are like the only momentary happiness. That's not the case for me. I find happiness in everything, like in this rehab. I see so many sad and depressed people that I know when I get out of this rehab and sell drugs, I'll be doing them and others a great favor. And I'm not afraid to tell you that, because I know that you won't snitch on me.
But isn't that sauce chasing something unreal? I mean, like, you can easily have a normal life.
What is normal? I don't want to do something only because it's conventional. Do what you love and you love what you do. Simple as that.
That's a good principle to live by. So, I'll catch you later. Bye.
Maggie, I'm Lily.